So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Ankita, and hi, I'm presenting the data science test 2 video solution where you can find all the answers of the questions which are given in our test 1. So, first one question is apply steps of KDD process to obtain applicable IPC section, BNS section from the following complaint. Given useful algorithm or Python code at process for identifying applicable BNS Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita section, theft of mobile 2023. The phone was stolen when I was shopping at a store. The thief was wearing a black jacket and had a scar on his face. So here steps in candidate process is data selection, input a textual complaint where this is a statement are given, and goal is to extract actionable insight to recommend relevant section. So second would be our data pre-processing where the objective is clean and normalize the text for the further analysis. A step to remove irrelevant characters, punctuation, normalize the text, and tokenization is split and remove stop words and use name entity recognition NER to extract object. Here our object is mobile phone and the action is theft and stolen, and location is MG Road and time is 2023. Data transformation is convert the process text into a machine readable format, feature representation like keywords, for example, theft and stolen, and TF-IDF or word embedding, BERT embeddings to capture context. Okay, so NERE outputs also you can write this, and pattern evaluation, which means evaluate prediction using metrics such as precision recall, and F1 scores. Question second, explain the decision tree process of data science and its various approaches to construct a decision tree from a database, how this structure and algorithm can be applied to effectively classify the complaints into the appropriate IPC or BNS section. So decision tree process in our data science can be referred as a supervised learning algorithm used for classification and regression. It is represent decision as a tree structure where node represent the features or attributes, branch represent decision rules, leaf represent outcomes or classes, and the decision tree process involves data preparation where we collect and pre-process the data, cleaning, handling, and missing values, and encode the categorical variables if required. Tree construction split the data recursively based on the feature selection and criteria to create branches. And prediction, where we traverse the tree based on the feature value in a given input to reach a leaf node. And here we are evaluation to evaluate the tree using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, or F1 score on a test set. Approaches to construct a decision tree, where we using top-down recursive splitting. In this method, we are recursively partitioning the dataset based on the feature value and splitting criteria, pruning, pre-pruning, and post-pruning. Okay. And our question third, what metrics are appropriate for the processing the performance of algorithm used in the text mining? Give detail the metrics that evaluate the effectiveness and accuracy of text mining techniques. So our answer will be in the text mining, we can evaluate the effectiveness and accuracy of the algorithm requires using suitable metrics to access the performance of classification, clustering, or retrieval task. Below it is there is some explanation. For classification tasks, we can use the text classification involves assigning one or more categories to a text. Example include spam detection, sentiment analysis, and IPC section classification. And confusion matrix, it also is a table that shows true versus predicted tables for classification, where true positive we are already discussed in test one solution video. So here true positive correctly predicted positive, true negative, correctly predicted negative, and false positive refers as a incorrectly predicted as positive, and false negative incorrectly predicted as negative. And here we have a choosing the right matrix table, where we have a task type binary classification, multi-class classification, clustering, information retrieval, and multi-level classification. Here we are divided this table in the basis of key matrix y suitable. Okay. So F1 is core macro. You can read this table for your exam purpose. Thank you so much for watching this video.